I'm doing a movie. Yeah, get up in there. Downtown Indianapolis, 4th of July, 2013. You doing a movie? Woohoo! Quit honking your horn, nobody's going anywhere.
Yeah, you ain't going nowhere no time soon.
Woohoo! Woo! What?
That's the American flag, I guess.
What?
That building.
You just noticed that?
Yeah.
Oh my God! I knew it. What'd you think it was? Christmas lights?
Yeah, I thought it was all the colors. That's not right. That's wrong.
What do you expect? You tried to walk into a plate glass window.
Yeah, you right. It's already started out right.
Okay. Yeah, you better watch yourself.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2.5.
What time is it? I can't tell. It's just kind of muggy out here. Woo!
10:25.
Huh?
10:25.
How long does the fireworks last, I wonder?
I
11?
think until 10:30, I think.
Oh, 10:30? Look at the traffic.
You ain't going home tonight.
That's it. Woohoo!